you two dorks doing?
We're just getting our GoPros ready.
Why?
So we can go drive around in KJ.
You're not supposed to say what we're. No, we're supposed to. You're supposed to say we have something very special in store for everyone today. On a special update. So this will be the first time that you've driven Caddy Jack in like 2 years. So, what's going through your mind right now?
How many nuts and bolts we forgot?
Ouch!
I mean, we'll see if he even makes it.
Wait, what? Yeah, I hope he makes it.
Me too.
Streetcar stuff.
Mhm.
You got power windows and everything.
Mhm. Runs on gas.
Runs on gasoline, yeah.
Mhm. Has water in it.
Yeah, it has water. It does have water.
It has
I like
water
it.
in it.
You didn't say it had a radiator, but you said it has water in it. I get it.
It has a radiating type of system in it.
What are you
It
gonna do?
radiates the heat into
Yeah.
the fuel.
What are you gonna do if you get pulled over with for like loud exhaust or
No exhaust.
no exhaust or
Better.
yeah, obstruction of view from the windshield?
Or the scoop.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's the same thing. Or slicks. Jackie's gonna drive her car for the first time. No running from the cops. We took a little time off from YouTube, and we're glad to be back at it, albeit maybe a little less polished up for the time being. As some of you may know, Jackie's father, John Brash, tragically passed away. This has been an extremely difficult time for her and for her family. His passing ripped a hole in all our hearts. I only knew John for a few years, but I liked and respected him more than he knew. He recently retired as a GM mechanic and brought his tools home to start working on the dream of going drag racing all over the country. He had been racing big tire Camaros since well before Jackie was born. He even built one from the chassis up in the driveway of the family home. And the time they spent racing together at Route 66 was something they both cherished. With Jackie's car almost finished, her parents purchased an RV, and her dad was getting his big block Nova ready for some possible heads-up competition in the future. The next season was stacking up to be their dream come true. Jackie sent her dad an excited text with a video of her car finally running, but with no response, because he didn't see it. John's number had been called up. And just like that, we are brutally reminded of how important our time is here, and that our next season may never come. As you can imagine, this has been the hardest time of Jackie's life, and we needed to take a little break. Everything she does, everything she enjoys about life, the cars, the tools, engines, racing, even the smallest things, all remind her of that giant missing hole in her heart. Today was the first day she actually wanted to film some stuff, and she was excited about having some fun driving around in her car. And we're going to take it one day at a time. To me, it's great to see her smiling. That's all that matters. It's good to see that being behind the wheel of her race car can still bring her to a smile and not devastate her every time she sits in it. Even just driving around and listening to the engine echo off the buildings, it can do wonders for a somber heart. My own dad always has some clever and funny saying for just about every situation and subject. But when it comes to things out of our control, things like this, he always used to tell me, son, Mama said there'd be days like this. And I still have no fucking idea what the heck that means. But when he would say it to me in that moment, it was exactly what I needed to hear. I guess, that's just what makes Dad so special. And Jackie's dad was a special one. Rest in peace, John Brash. streetcar.